Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Izaz Geta. We were discussing the model paper released by the Karnataka board, that is first model paper we are discussing. In our previous video we already discussed the MCQs and 1 mark question. See, here is the first model paper. Yes, first model paper 2024-25, and these were the questions. Begins from here. MCQs were there, we already discussed on these MCQs, and even we discussed the 1 mark questions. There were not tough questions, like easy questions were there. This probability question, trigonometry question, and we have now 2 mark question we need to discuss. Yeah, from here it starts. Prove that 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. And this is a, I know, expected question, like it usually comes every time in the exam. So you have to begin with, let us assume. Here I will write from where you will start. You will start from let us assume 3 plus root 5 is a rational number. If any number is rational, then it can be represented in the form of p by q, where p and q are co-primes. You can write where p and q are co-primes and q is not equal to 0. You can write here. Take to 3 other side, you will get root 5 is equal to p by q minus 3. Root 5 is equal to p minus LCM you will take here. The LCM is what? LCM is q into 1 into q, p minus 3q by q. This is up to here mathematics. You will write root 5 is rational. Why it is rational? Because p minus 3q by q is rational. P minus 3q by q is rational. This contradict fact that root 5 is a rational number. Therefore our assumption that 3 plus root 5 is rational number is wrong. Rational number is wrong. Hence, what hence? 3 plus root 5 is a irrational number. Got it? That is the solution for this. A very easy question it was. Very easy question. The next question is, what is composite number? A composite number, the number which is having more than 2 factor. Number having more than 2 factors. Which is a composite number among 23 and 24. See, 23 is a prime number, like 23 will be divisible by only 23. 24 is having more than 2 factor, like 2 12s are, 2 6s are, 2 3s are, 3 1s are. Like, so, 24 is having more than 2 factor, like 24 is having 2 as a factor, 3 as a factor, 8 as a factor. So, 2 and 3 as a factor, so you can say. So 24 is a composite number. Okay, 24 is a composite number. This is not a composite number. What is composite number? The number having more than 2 factor. Choice question is here. State the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. People don't memorize this statement, so you guys need to memorize this statement. Like, what is fundamental theorem of arithmetic? Every integer greater than 1 can be represented as a product of prime number. Can be represented as a product of prime number. Please note down what I am dictating it. Every integer greater than 1 is represented as a product of prime numbers. Every integer greater than 1 represented as product of prime numbers. Right? Write the composite number of which has 7 and 3 as only prime factor. So 7 and 3 having prime factor as then 21 is a 7 3. So it is 21, right? It is a 21. 21 is a composite number. It is having more than 2 factor, 1, 7 and 3. So is it clear, everybody? So this question is also done, or question is also done, right? The next question is, find the 21st term of AP. This is from arithmetic progression. They have given 5, 9, 13. So A is equal to 5, D is equal to 9 minus 5, 4, A 21 is equal to question mark. You should write the formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 of D. So A13 equals, sorry, A21st. A21 equals to A is 5 plus 21 minus 1, D is 4. 5 plus 20 into 4. 5 plus 24 is 80. Answer is 85. Understood? The 21st term of AP is 85. This is very easy question. Very easy question. The next question, let us see. Solve the pair of linear equation. They say you have to use elimination method. So let's do it here. X plus y is equal to 4. 2x plus y is equal to 6. Just change the sign. Y will get cancelled. X minus 2x is minus x. 4 minus 6 minus 2. Minus minus will get cancelled. X is equal to 2. Understood? Y you can find out by taking any one equation. We'll take first equation, which is x plus y is equal to 4. Our second equation, same answer will get 2 plus y is equal to 4. समझ में आ रहा है, right? 4 minus 2, y is equal to 2. Got it, everybody? Understood? If you have any doubt, write down in comment. If you have any question also any question particularly doubt, then also you can just write down. Chalo, let's see the next question. Quadratic equation x square plus bx plus 9 has two equal roots. So you know that this is x square plus bx plus 9 is equal to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A1, b is b only, c is 9. So b square minus 4ac is equals to 0, because 0 it will come because they give equal roots. Correct? Now b is b only, 4, a is 1, c is minus 9. So we'll get b square minus into minus plus 36 equals to 0. So b, what they ask, two equal roots. Find the equation. Just find the equation. B is less than 1. Yes, b is less than 1. B square is equal to minus 36. And this is not possible, right? So they have a no real root here. Then find the equation. B is less than 1. They are talking. B is less than 1. find the equation. Just this is the equation we can write. B square plus 36 equals to 0. Or else, like, we can have a formula minus b plus r minus b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. But still we are getting b is minus. So x is equal to minus b plus r minus b square minus 4, a value 1, c value plus 9. Why I wrote minus 9 here? That's wrong, correct? Oh, why I wrote minus 9 here? This is 9. So we'll get b square minus 36. B square is equal to 36. B is equal to plus or minus 6. Find the equation where b is less than 1, that is b is equal to minus 6. We have to find an equation like less than 1 equation they are asking us. So the equation will be x square, b value less than 1 matlab minus 6x plus 9 is equal to 0. This will be your equation. Is it clear? Understood? There we had a error, right? We wrote minus 9, so that was the problem. Chalo, it is sorted out. Next, if the find the coordinates of the point, let us erase this point. Okay. Find the coordinates of the point which divide the line segment joining the points A and B. We have to find the coordinates. See, this is a line segment A and B, and this is a point which divide in the ratio 3:1. We should find this xy. This they have said 1 comma minus 3 and 8 comma 5. So you know the formula p of x comma y, m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So here we have p of x comma y, m1 is this and m2 is this, 3 and 2, that is m1 is 3, this is x1 y1, 8 is x2, y is y2. m1 x2 is nothing but 3 into 8 plus m2 is 1 into 1 divided by 3 plus 1 comma 3 into y2 is 5 plus 1 into minus 3 divided by 3 plus 1. 24 plus 1, 3 8s are 24 plus 1 1s are 1 by 4, 3 5s are 15 minus 3 by 4. Okay, am I right? Any mistake? m2 x1 looks like no mistake. So 25 by 4 divided by 12 by 4, 4 3s are will get. So 25 by 4 comma 3 is the answer. Any doubts, boys and girls? Any doubts? Whether you got the same answer or not, just check out, boys and girls. Whether you got same answer or not, anybody had a different answer or any different ideas? What can tell us? Okay, let us see the next question. In the figure, xy is a tangent Okay, what they are saying is there is xy is a tangent at the point P, point of contact, to a circle with center O. Q is a point on xy. Okay, there is a Q point. Show that OQ is greater than OP. OQ is greater than OP. So, first you will write a given that a circle with center O, xy is a tangent at P, xy is a tangent at P, Q is a point on tangent, Q is a point on tangent xy. To prove OQ greater than OP, proof, it's very simple. Like, see, there is OP here, it is a radius of circle. OQ is a point, OQ is a point, it is OQ is a point which is outside the circle, so obviously it has to be a greater. OQ, Q is a point which is outside the circle, so OQ has to be greater than OP because OQ is greater than a radius. The Q point lies outside the circle. Correct now. As Q is outside the circle, so it is greater than radius. More of a sentence writing is required. OP is radius of circle, OQ, Q is a point which is outside the circle. So why we can say, because Q is a point outside the circle, so OQ has to be greater than a OP. You can mention it, right? Even like you just need to join this thing it, and any point outside the circle will be greater than the radius. Any point which is outside the circle will be greater than a radius, that you have to write it. Next, any point outside the circle will be greater than a radius, obviously. A toy is in the form of a cone mounted on a hemisphere. This is hemisphere. Over that cone is there. Total height of the toy is 15.5. Find the TSA of toy. TSA of toy, what will come? CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. CSA of cone formula pi RL. CSA of hemisphere formula is 2 pi r square. Pi r common, L plus 2r. So pi is 22 by 7. Radius 3.5 can be written as 7 by 2. See, radius is 3.5. So we can write as 35 by 10. 5 sevens are 5 twos are. Can be written as 7 by 2. Slant height is not given. I think that we need to find out. Yeah, slant height is not given. We need to find out. See, we have a L square is equal to R square plus H square. R we got 3.5 whole square. H is total height is 15.5. So this height of a hemisphere is radius 3.5. So height will be total 15.5 minus radius 3.5 will get us 12. So 3.5 into 3.5, 17. 3 5s are 15, 10. 12.25 plus 144, 156.25. So it is more than 144 and less than 169. It has to be 12.5. It is L square. L is equal to under root 156.25. L is equal to 12.5. So we got here 12.5 plus 2 into 7 by 2. 2 to get cancelled. This 7 7 2 ones are 2 11s are 11. 12.5 plus 7, 11 into 19.5. Multiply and keep the answer in centimeter square. Boys and girls, whether you understood this, any doubts? Can anybody do this OR question? The volume of sphere is given. Find the surface area of sphere. 4 pi r square will be the formula. Can you do it that question? And can you write in comment? Let's see who will get the answer. Okay, this is 2 mark question is over. We'll meet again in the next video for 3 mark question. Till then, subscribe our channel and press the bell button, and if you understood then hit a like. Thank you so much everybody.